This is the reverse tool. All right. What we're going to have to do is we are going to take this piece, put it on here, tighten it. There's a screw there. Okay, boom. That goes on there. Now you're going to take this piece, put that on there. Okay? Now you are going to take your half-inch, goes there, and this time you're going to take this piece and put it on the bottom, okay? Give me a minute. Boom. Now remember, trying to bend it this way. But there was a wall on this side, so we can't get the tool in there. Now, if you notice, you can bend it this way. Okay. It's kind of hard to film and do this. Boom. That is the reverse tool. That comes in handy. You definitely don't want to buy this tool without the reverse bending kit.